Hello, this is DDK today, Jamianos, and we are going to smoke a whole fryer today. And what's wonderful about it is that I'm going to show you how, because I'm sure you're very, very curious. Most people are curious about smoking. They think it's such a big deal and it takes so much work and blah, blah, blah. It doesn't take that much work, okay? Serious. What you see in here is a meat hypodermic needle, okay? And you see it's stuck in the chicken? Okay, the mixture in this needle is Malibu coconut rum, okay? There's about a quarter cup in this cup right here. And some real lemon juice, okay? 2 tablespoons of that. And about 3 tablespoons of olive oil. And that's Bertolli, but that's a reused jar, so that really is a golden, and it's not extra light, olive oil that I get at Sam's Club. But you can get good olive oil almost any place, and just buy really good olive oil. Don't buy the cheap stuff, okay? All right, so that's what's in this measuring cup right here. And I mix that up really good, those 3 ingredients, and then I draw it up into the hypodermic needle. As you can see, it's in there, see? All right, so then what we're gonna do is we're just gonna push that into different spots in this big chicken. See how that push down takes very little strength, and you inject it in different spots. See it was that little geyser there? Okay, that's just what this is going to do, is just make it give more flavor throughout the whole bird. Okay, there's another one. All right, then we're going to use up the rest of this. Like this. Okay, look at that. Done. Now, I'm going to draw the rest of this and put the rest of that in the chicken. But I just want to show you the rest of what we're going to do for the rub, all right? And this is going to marinate in the fridge for probably an hour is all. Sometimes we have more time and we'll let it marinate overnight, but not tonight. We have to have it for dinner. All right, so you can cheat a little bit when it comes to those marinades overnight. As long as you're infusing it like I just did and I just showed you, that kind of speeds up that process. And the slow smoking at 225 for about 4 hours is going to finish it up. It's going to be delicious. We'll decide what kind of chips we want to use, maybe a whiskey, maybe a cherry. We've got apple, we've got alder, we've got a lot to choose from. So now I'm going to show you the seasoning we're going to use for the rub. Now we've got all these seasonings in this measuring cup. Okay, now see what this looks like. Okay, now when I say all these seasonings, I'm going to show you what all those seasonings are. We've got basil, okay? And we've got a 1/4 teaspoon of that, oregano, about a 1/2 teaspoon oregano, onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon, 1/2 teaspoon of fine powdered garlic, and another 1/4 teaspoon of Greek seasoning mix, which is a multi-mix seasoning with a little bit more thyme in it than I don't have thyme in any of these seasonings. It's in the Greek seasonings. All right. Then you have a smoked Hungarian paprika. Now, you don't have to have Hungarian, but I just happen to have Hungarian. And any smoked good paprika is really good. Or if you don't like smoked, you can use non-smoked paprika, okay? They sell it both ways. And they also sell some other different flavors, but I suggest the smoked, okay? And you put about a 1/4 teaspoon of that in this mix as well. And then after we're done infusing the meat, we're going to rub this all over the bird, and then we're going to be smoking it in about an hour. I want you to take this and realize that this is easy to do. This isn't hard. And you can do this with non-smoked meats too. You don't have a smoker, you want to just do it slow cook in the oven at 350 degrees. And I would take this chicken here, this size chicken, this is a 6.5 pounder, would take at least 2.5 hours to cook in the oven. And maybe a little bit less, it just depends, but you want it to be at least 170, 175. That would be what we consider done and food safe. If you're cooking out on a grill, you could do it at 300, 325 degrees, and you're going to take at least about the 2 hours too. You have to always take a look at it though. It may take less, all right? So, here's your recipe for today, smoked Greek chicken, and you are going to absolutely love it. My books are available for sale at Grundhofer's Meat Market in Hugo. Flicker's Meat Market in White Bear on White Bear Avenue. They are also in Pine Tree Apple Orchards as of the end of next week. You can buy my books there, or you can buy them from WA, 612-859-3270, or divadish67@gmail.com. Get them, buy them, use them, have fun, enjoy cooking again, enjoy eating with your family around the kitchen table, dining room table, wherever that happens to be, but with your family. That's what my books are about, and I'm donating to our food shelves. What could be better? Have a great day, babies. Ciao.